Hi guys, lesson 19 today is about gerund phrases. The way to pronounce this word is gerund. A gerund is a verbal. Remember, a verbal is a word that is formed from a verb but does not act as a verb in a sentence. And a gerund in this case is always going to act as a noun. All gerunds are verb forms that end in ing. This is your clue right here, ing. Examples include skiing, running, eating, swimming. Verb form that ends with an ing, but in this case is going to be used as a noun in the sentence. Building a coral reef takes many centuries. So in our sentence here, this is our gerund, building. This acts as a noun in the sentence. Building a coral reef takes many centuries. It's also the subject of our sentence. What takes many centuries? Oh, building. Now here, if we say this is our gerund, we'll put a box around here. The gerund phrase are all the words that include the gerund and all the words that go with it. In this case, it would be building a coral reef. Swimming near coral reefs will acquaint you with many colorful fish. Our gerund itself is swimming. There's our ing. And our gerund phrase is swimming near coral reefs. And in this case, the gerund, swimming, acts as a noun, and it's the subject of the sentence.